Alright, so let's look at asterisk, augur, and baize. So asterisk. Noun. A little dash, a little star like that, to show there is more information, a footnote or annotation. Use an asterisk when you need to. Yes, an asterisk. Let's try and get an asterisk. Where is it? There we are. Asterisk. Just like that. Little asterisk like this. Yeah, asterisk. So someone's talking and they make a claim, they say something. Asterisk to say, need to prove that. I need to add more information. Or a footnote, something along the bottom. Or annotation, just to explain something. Just add a note. Or verb, to mark a word with an asterisk. He needed to asteriskize things here, or put an asterisk here. So we have a sentence. I am writing a sentence. It is important. Asterisk, full stop. And then you explain why it's important in the footnote at the bottom. You expand upon it. You explain why and how it's important. Yeah. An augur. Verb. To have a sign of something either good or bad. It seemed to augur well. What do you think the future will hold? Augur of the future. A good future, a bad future. What do you think? It seems to augur well. Well, it depends. It could be good, could be bad. Depends on stuff. And baize, noun. A coarse green woollen material used to cover things. Put baize on the table. So a kind of cloth. A kind of cloth. A kind of cloth. Yes. Used to cover stuff. Especially at snooker tables. Coarse. So quite rough. But in some ways quite efficient. Now maybe not much friction. And a woollen. So it comes from sheep. Material to cover things. Baize. Baize. A kind of cloth. How cool is that? So asterisk, augur, baize. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.